This has been a historic state visit by President Draupadi Murmu. It has been historic because it is taking place after a gap of nearly 30 years and because of the strong commitment shown by both sides to take this partnership forward. I would just first run through some of the basic elements of the visit. The delegation led by Honorable President also included Minister of State for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Srimati Neemuben Bambaria, and two Honorable Members of Parliament, Shri Dhaval Patel and Srimati Sandhya Ray. A large business delegation also accompanied Honorable President, around 35 members. The President met the President of Slovak Republic, His Excellency Peter Pellegrini, Prime Minister Mr. Robert Fico, the Speaker of the Parliament, among the various dignitaries. There were two MOUs that were signed during the visit. Business forum was hosted. The program also included a visit to the Tata Jaguar Land Rover manufacturing plant in Nitra, the city of Nitra. The President was also conferred an honorary doctorate by the university, Constantine the Philosopher University, based in Nitra, and she will shortly be meeting members of the Indian community. In terms of the details of the program elements, yesterday in the morning, a ceremonial welcome was accorded to President Murmu. A guard of honor was presented. This was followed by a tete-a-tete meeting between the two presidents, and then the delegation level talks. The two leaders also witnessed the exchange of two memoranda of understanding. One of the MOUs is between the Sushma Swaraj Foreign Service Institute of India and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Slovakia. The other one is regarding cooperation in the field of small and medium enterprises between the NSIDC and the Business Slovakia. The two leaders also delivered press statements yesterday. In the evening, this was the President of Slovakia hosted a state banquet in honor of President Murmu. Earlier today, the President of Slovak Republic also, he and our President jointly addressed the business forum, which was hosted at the Foreign Ministry, where the business delegation from the FICCI was there, along with the Slovak business persons. Later in the afternoon, the delegation had traveled to the historic city of Nitra, which is around 100 kilometers from Bratislava, where at the Constantine University, President Murmu was conferred honorary doctorate. It was a beautiful ceremony where President Pellegrini was also present. After that, the two leaders traveled to the Tata Jaguar Land Rover manufacturing plant, which is situated nearby. And the President then had a round of the manufacturing plant, and where she also met the management and the workers and the staff over there, which also include a very large number of Indian workers and professionals. This was followed by a special tree planting ceremony where the two presidents planted a linden tree, which is the national tree of Slovak Republic, in a public park. where the mayor of the city of Nitra, Mr. Marek Hatas, was also present. During the tree planting ceremony, President Murmu spoke about the initiative of Prime Minister Modi, which is the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam initiative. She described the initiative to the President of Slovak Republic, who said that, who found this very interesting and remarked that Slovakia too could consider undertaking such an initiative. Earlier at the ceremony for conferring the honorary doctorate, President of Slovak Republic, His Excellency Pellegrini, mentioned in his remarks about how India was transforming into a modern nation, which was also simultaneously honoring its rich and millennia-old tradition, and that it represents a civilizational leap forward. The visit had a strong business element, as I mentioned. If we look at the economic relations between India and Slovak Republic, trade has been growing rapidly. Over the last 5 years or so, the trade has tripled, and now it is in the range of 1.3 billion euros. There are investment both ways. The Tata Group investment in the automotive sector in Slovakia is a very large investment, again in the range of around 1.3 to 4 billion euros. There are also investment in other sectors such as steel. And similarly, the Slovakian businesses have also invested in India in various sectors such as railways, defense, biofuel, and so on.